Hi, so in order to use Capcut templates, this is what you need to do. Right here, I'm here on Capcut, I have logged into my account, and on the left side you will see the tab called Templates. If you click on the Templates tab, there's a bunch of image and video templates that you can switch from up here. So let's just choose a video template, this one for example. I'm just gonna click on the template and click on Use this template. Now, right here, you will get everything that went into this template, and if you scroll through the elements that you can replace, it will just snap to that part of that video. Here you have an option to batch replace. You can upload 6 items and they will replace every picture in here, and basically we'll have it ready. Or right here you can see these are some uploaded stock photos that I have and some videos. We can click on one of these items, click replace, and choose a stock photo to replace it. And as you can see, wherever that photo is appearing now, it is replaced with the stock photo, and you can do that with every photo or every moment that you want. Now the text, on the right side here, the text will open. If we play the video, you can see there is the text that comes up as animation. It is displayed here, which you can also change. So let's see. This one is brand name and sale. We put in brand number 1. And as you can see, the text is changing in the background. You can obviously do whatever you want to manipulate the text and suit it for your best needs. You can move it around, and then it just flies in at a different angle. Well, not at a different angle, but it just ends the animation at different positions. So just play around with the template. Just remember to either batch replace or select every picture and then play with the text as well. Good luck.